This episode of the Weekly Iron is brought to you by the all-new Komatsu PC220LC12 and PC220LCI12. Learn more at komatsu.com. Welcome to the Weekly Iron for Tuesday, November 24th. We kick things off with a story from Mike Forrester about the complexities of capital expenditure budgets. He shares key financial strategies for budgeting, the importance of aligning CapEx planning with corporate objectives, the three parts of a CapEx budget, and how to make effective decisions regarding capital investments. And we love celebrating excellence in maintenance technicians. Check out the article about an LBX Techs who wins the Global Skills Contest hosted by Sumitomo Construction Machinery. A big congrats to Jesse Laveri of Equipment Sales and Service in Edmonton, Alberta. The contest featured competitors from 11 countries, and they competed against 5 areas of service excellence. Congrats again, Jesse. And finally, recent news is shining a spotlight on how inflation in construction materials is affecting projects in real time. Last week, it was announced that the cost to repair the Francis Scott Key Bridge was more than doubling, from slightly below $2 billion to now around $5 billion. That's all for today in the Weekly Iron. Have a happy Thanksgiving, everyone.